All right, are you guys ready to do the drawing for number 5 and number 6? Number 5 was for the 4 special ice yarns or the cross stitch kit, and you had to say either yarn or kit. And then when your name is drawn, and I am not going to filter duplicate uses on this because I told you that you could enter it more than once. If you wanted to enter for the yarn, you say yarn. If you enter for the kit, you say kit. So I am going to, because those words are easy to spell, I am going to put in the, let me back that off. I am going to put in the certain words for the comment picker.
Animal am I? Please say dolphin. I want to eat lobster and swim for the rest of my life. What is that?
Okay, so here's another reason why I am not liking this random comment picker. Every time I go to select filter comment based on a specific text and I go to put a text in, it's not accepting it. So I'm just going to wing it. I'm going to run all the comments, and whoever says yarn first gets the win. Whoever says kit first gets the win. It depends on whatever I draw. I'm giving away the 4 special yarns or the cross stitch Mill Hill kit. So depending on what you say will depend on what you win. So let's go ahead and get the comments. At least it accepted my URL. There were 56 new unique comments. And let's start. All right. Oh, I guess I better turn this off. Oh, bad glare. Okay. Maybe I do need that. Well, shoot. Did it stop spinning? It did. All right. April Cronkite. Congratulations, April. Hi there. I would love to learn how to do the kit. God bless you and stay safe. So we gave away the Mill Hill kit. Congratulations, April. That's awesome. All right. I'll tell you what to do at the end of this video. Stay tuned for the next winner. All right, and now for giveaway number 6, the final giveaway for the month of August. It was for the 30 gift tags and 10 cards. I'm actually putting a little extra in there. I am filtering duplicate users. It's going to be open worldwide. Okay, so let's get the comments. All right, there were 26 unique comments. This is one that was hidden in the first Bang Game video. And the other one was hidden in Chit Chat number 30. So, let's get it started. Of course, it's going to go through very slowly. Through one. Oh. Tina Brenning. Congratulations, Tina. Your cards and gift tags are very pretty. Thank you for sharing. You had to have the word gift in there in order to qualify for this giveaway. So, Tina and April. I'll write down Tina's name. What you need to do. Well, that's great. 6 totally different winners. What you need to do is you need to contact me. Of course, my email is here. It'll be down in the description box below, young40mom@gmail.com. And also you need to put the word winner, W-I-N-N-E-R, in your subject line. Please do that. Very important that you do that. And then I will get those gifts out to you. Congratulations, that's awesome. If you stick around, I'm going to show you guys what I got with my my birthday card that I got from my one of my sisters. It was a gift card for my birthday, and I want to show you guys what I got at Hobby Lobby, because they had some things that were on sale. And so yeah, so I'm going to show you that. So if you want to stick around, please stick around, and I hope you do, to watch the haul of what I got for my birthday. All right, so we got everybody taken care of. Yes, definitely contact me so that I can get that out to you. I've got all my tags and stuff. I got a whole bunch of stuff down over my desk, and it's getting warm. I'm gonna put my hair back while I show you these. All right, so first I got some jewelry findings. They had their, Hobby Lobby had their jewelry shop all their jewelry shop stuff 50% off. So the first thing I got are called these, they're called gourd shaped safety pins. And I thought about giving these a try for stitch markers. That way you can use them the way that they are enclosed. You can use them for knit or crochet. So I'm going to give those a try. The other thing I got, I needed some gold findings. So I got some, it's 18 karat gold plated, 6 millimeter round heavy gauge jump rings. So I got some of those. Let's see, there was 100 in a pack of these, and there was 100 in a pack of these. And then these I got, I'm not sure. I'm gonna use these for when I make my scissor fobs. I'm going to make scissor fobs, and you will get in the kit, you'll get the scissor fob, the scissors, the needle threader, and if you crochet, you'll get to customize it whether you want stitch markers, or if you cross stitch, whether you want a needle minder. And those of you who don't know what a needle minder is, it's a trinket or a button, or I was trying to think if I had anything over here that I could show you that's similar to it. It'd be like a medallion of some kind, like say for instance, this could be a needle minder, and what you would do is you would take it and it has a magnet, 2 magnets on it, one that's secured to the item itself, and then one on the other side, and you take the other one off, you sandwich it, say this is your fabric, you sandwich it in between your fabric, and then on the top it's magnified, it's magnetic, so that you can put your needles on there while you're stitching, and then that way you don't lose your needle. Or if you want to put your needle on there, it's called a needle minder. It minds your needles while you're not working, or it holds extra needles for you in case you need them in the future. So anyway, so that's going to be part of it. So that's why I got these. These are going to be for my scissor fobs. So that's fuzzy. It's not coming in because it's wanting to focus on everything else around it. But anyway, so I thought I'd give those a try. Those are cute. There are 14 of them. They're called mini lanyards. So I thought that'd be great. Give those a try. All right. They had their, and that was 50% off too. They had their Christmas stuff 40% off. And I don't know about y'all, but the way that our Hobby Lobby is if you don't get in on it, oh, I'm puffy. That's from last night. Partying. Sorry. Celebrating my birthday. If you don't get in on their Christmas stuff right away, it's gone. Like charms and bells and things like that, they go fast. So now that they've got their Christmas stuff out, I got 2 packs of their Christmas charms. This is nickel free. All their stuff is nickel free. It's Christmas by Bead Treasures. It is 30 pieces. So you can't really see. You can see some of it, like the snowman and the reindeer. See on the back. Kind of see Noel and bells and snowflakes. I think. Oh, a little boot. This is joy. Mittens. Pine cones. So anyway, those are going to be stitch markers and earrings. So I'm going to do with those. See, so all this came to $43 and change, and I had a $50 gift card. So I got these beads. I think these are so pretty, oh my gosh. Got these, got pretty bead caps on them, so pretty. These are my pretty necklaces. I got that's kind of like in a purplish color, and then I got these in the turquoise looking colors. I tried to get them in every color, but they didn't have them in every color. They just had those 2. And I wanted to get some green ones, but here's some green ones, but they're kind of different. These are kind of different. They're pretty. They've got little blings in between them. So these more expensive ones are going to go towards and the most glass. These more expensive ones are going to go towards the earring side, I think. And then I got these in kind of like a mauve, it was in the black section, but those are pretty, very blingy. I got those. And then I got these really pretty crystal looking hearts. They're glass. And then they shimmer. Shut down soon. I might shut down. Okay. But yeah, they've got like, they're like prisms. They're pretty. So pretty. Those were a little bit more pricey, on the pricey side. And then, now all of these beads I got, they had them 50% off. Then I got some elephants. Can you see them? Oh, they're all twisted around, but you can kind of see them. Elephants. Elephants. Yes, elephant beads. And then I've got these multicolored beads to put in between. I think, what are these made out of? These are glass too. It's glass beads. Pretty. So you definitely don't want to get your animal get a hold of it. And then I got these pretty beads. Faceted. So pretty. I like those. It's got gold overlay, some of the green. And then I got some owls, but I have to take them back and exchange them. These were $8. They were $7.99, but I've got to exchange them because I didn't notice this until I was getting it out to show you guys. But they're owls. They're really pretty. So you see, this one's missing a gem. Supposed to have gems in the belly. This one's missing a gem, so I'm going to take it back and exchange it because I want them. Yeah. So those would be stitch markers. They're a little too, I think, heavy for maybe earrings. I don't know yet. But anyway, so I've got to take that back and exchange it. But that's my haul. I'm going to work on some. I'm going to go feed my child, and then I'm going to work on some tags. And then, so yeah. So I look forward to getting y'all's emails. And thank you for joining me for my birthday month. I appreciate it. I am going to, after I get off and do this, I'm going to add some more stitch markers. The sale is still going on till the 31st at midnight. Oh, y'all know. He's whining. Oh, because he got to get in the picture. Got to get in the, that's what it's want. He's crawling up and down and whining on me. Yeah, there we go. Rotten. I'm excited about working with these guys. I'm excited. Anyway, so yeah, so the sale's still going on. Sorry I look so terrible. Oh my word. This is my life of my hair now. Looks like a dude. I look like a dude. Anyway. So congratulations to all 6 of my birthday month winners. Thank you guys so much for participating and celebrating it with me. I appreciate it. It means a lot. Yeah. I know. Sniff. I gotta sniff why you sniff my ear? Anyway, so yeah. So it was great. I had a lot of fun with it. I've got more on the horizon coming. Of course, now that finally got my cute little tripod, I tried it on my camera and it's perfect for doing tutorials. I'm excited about using it. Anyway, so yeah. So contact me. And I will see you guys in the next video. I'm not going to make promises when that'll be, but you know, it's at least once or twice a week, sometimes more. There's a lot more here lately, but I enjoy it. I enjoy talking to you guys, and I'm glad that you enjoy listening to me. So, but if you don't like listening to me, you can always turn me off, right? Thank you for watching. Keep it real. Peace out.